everyone, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon.
My Way of Phonodrill. It's a complete English reading course for beginners. The topics which I'm planning to cover is introduction of letters with its sounds, introduction of vowels and consonants, how to join vowels with consonants, reading three-letter words, reading blend sounds, digraphs and diphthong.
So here we are going to join these vowels with each consonant. So this is level 2. So before doing that, let's do a small recap. What is that? Yes. How many letters are there? 26 letters, right? A to Z. And how many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, O, then A. Right? Okay. The remaining letters like B, K, D, J and all these things, they are consonants. And today we are going to join both the consonant and vowels together. Now let's see how to join vowels with a consonant. Here we have vowels, 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, O, A. These are the sounds of vowels. A, E, O, A. And what about these? B, K, D, F, G. All these are consonants, right? Now I am going to join a vowel with a consonant. Now let's take letter A. The sound of letter A is A. What is the sound of letter A? A. So I am going to join A sound with a consonant. Let's take letter B. B. The sound of B is B. A, B. Separately again. A, B. Little faster. A, B. A, B. A, B. Ab. Now, let me take letter A, vowel A with consonant C. The sound of C is K, right? Now join A, K, A, K, A, K, A. Now let's take letter D. A with letter D. The sound of D is D. A, D. A, D. A, D. Add. Now one more. Let's see. A with G. Sound of G is G. Now let's join letter A. Letter A with G. Sound of A is A. Sound of G is G. A, G. A, G. A, G. Add. Right? Now let me do A and M. M. Sound of M. A, M. An. A, M. An. Then A, N. A, N. Join. Sound of A is A. Sound of N is N. A, N. An. This is how we should join the vowel with consonant. So A, B, A, K, A, D, A, G, A, M, N, An. Now we will see how to join E vowel with consonant. What is the letter? This is letter E and the sound of E is A. What is the sound of E? A, right? So let me show you how to join letter E. The sound of E, A with the consonants. Okay? So, A, we will add D along with A, D. Let's join together the sound of E, A, D, A, D, A, D, head. Ed. Right? Next one. A and G. The sound of G is G. G. Egg. 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 So, the sound of E and sound of G together. Egg. Egg. Okay, now let's see the next letter. L. A and L. Let's join A, L, A, L, A, L, A, L, L, faster, A, L, L. Now one more, A with M, M, A, M, A, M, A, M, M. Then A, join A with N, letter N, sound of N, N, A, N, A, N, N. Okay, then again one more letter I'll join, letter E with vowel E with consonant T, the sound of E, A, consonant T, T, A, T, A, T, A, T, fast, A, T. Yet, right? So this is how we join vowel E with consonant. These are the sound forms when you join vowel E with consonants. And now we will see how to join vowel E with the consonant, right? Next, the letter is I. The sound of letter I is E. E. Okay. Now let's join E, B. Sound of B is B. E and B together we call Ib, 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 Ib. What is that? Ib. Right? Next. E, D. Join together. Yes. E, D, E, D, E, D. Id. Right? Yes. The next one is I'll join with F. E. F. E and F together. E. F. E. F. E. F. If. Right. Then again E with G. Letter I and G. The sound of I is E and letter G. The sound of G is G. E, G, E, G, Ig. Now we are joining two letters, vowel with a consonant, right? So E, G, Ig. Okay, one more I'll show you. E, L, E, L, E, L, E, L, Il, right? Then again E, M, E, M. Right? Again, I'll show you one more letter like E, joining E with N. E, N. E, N. E, N. E, N. In. Right? Let's see one more. Ip. Ip. E, P. Let's join E with P. E, P. E, P. E, P. E, P. Yip, right. Then with T. E and T. E, T. E, T. It. 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 Right. So this is how we join E vowel with the consonants. Now we are going to join letter O, vowel O with the consonant. Let's see how to do that. Letter O, the sound of O is O, 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 orange, right? O, orange, O sound. So let me join letter O with D. Okay, we'll join O with letter D, consonant D. D, O, D, O, D, O, D, odd, odd, right? Now F, a vowel with a consonant. This is level 2. And the next letter is, I am going to join the next letter. Which one? P. Okay. O and P. The sound of P is P. O, P. O, P. O, P. Op. Op. Then the next one is T. O and T. T. So the sound of O, T. O, T. O, T. O, T. Ot. Right? This is how we will ask your child to join the letter. Little faster. Like once again, I'll show you one more example. O, letter O and S. S. Just try to join sound of O, S, ox, ox. Faster. Ox. Ox. Right? So far we have joined letter vowels A, E, I, O with all the consonants. The last one is U. I'll show you how to join that. The last vowel, that is U. Right? A, E, I, O, U. The fifth vowel is U. And what is the sound of U? A. What is the sound of U? A. Now we are going to join the vowel U with the consonant. Let's see how to do that. A. The sound of U is A. And we are going to join letter B. B. The sound of B is B. A. Join with B. A. B. A. B. A. B. Ab. Ab. Clear? Okay. Now the next one is, I'll join with D. A. D. Sound of U is A. Sound of D is D. A and D together. A. D. Faster. A. D. Ad. Ad. Right? Now let me join letter G with U. Sound of U. A. G. A. G. A. G. A. G. Ug. Ug. Okay, the next one is A. P. I'll join P. A. P. Up. 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 Yes. Now I'll join with A. And yes. The sound of letter S is S. S. Right? A. S. A. S. Us. Join together. A. S. Faster. Us. I'll show you one more consonant. A. Joining. I'm going to join letter T. A and T. The sound of U is A. And the sound of letter T is T. A. T. A. T. A. T. At. So this is how we should join two letters together, right? See, the consonant and vowel. When you join a vowel with a consonant, this is how we should give practice. So friends, I have completed joining vowels with the consonant. All 5 vowels with the consonant. In my next video, I am going to upload how to join 3-letter words. The same way I will teach you in detail. So, thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.